The 2021 London mayoral election will be held on 6 May 2021 to elect the Mayor of London. It will be held simultaneously with elections for the London Assembly and other local elections across England. The mayoral and assembly elections were originally due to be held on 7 May 2020, but in March 2020 the government announced the election would be postponed until 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The position of Mayor of London is currently held by Sadiq Khan of the Labour Party, who was elected in 2016 with 44.2% of the first round votes and 56.8% of the second round votes. Khan was re-selected as the Labour candidate in 2018. The Conservative Party selected Sean Bailey as its candidate, and the Green Party chose Sian Berry as its candidate. Rory Stewart, a former Conservative MP and minister, ran as an independent before withdrawing due to the delay in the election. Shaoban Benita, who had been the Liberal Democrat candidate, also withdrew after the election delay. She was replaced as the party's candidate by Louisa Porritt. 20 candidates will appear on the ballot, more than in any previous election for the position. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.